Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best food processors and blenders in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Hamilton Beach Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper. You would be wondering about best reliable item. So, we found a solution to your problem, and it is Hamilton Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper 70730. Hamilton Food Processor is a great appliance with a 450-watt motor. Combination of efficiency and style. Perfect for chopping veggies, making juices, crushing meat and ice. This food processor surely saves a lot of your time. Occupy less space in your kitchen with its space-saving design. If you are living in a small compartment, then it would be a perfect choice. This 10-cup Hamilton Beach food processor is made up of high-quality, unbreakable plastic which provides unmatched durability. Silver and black color of this best food processor 2021 matches with most of the color schemes of your kitchen. This food processor comes with one bowl, one lid, one scraper, one slicer and shredder discs each, and one S-blade. It has 3-speed pulse control, which facilitates easy usage and hassle-free operation. Furthermore, this processor can be used for a slice, shred, crinkle and fine shred with its fine blades and 2 reversible discs. S-blade, shredding disc and sliding disc is attached with it. Moreover, this processor features interchangeable blades, pulse function and locking lid. Number 2. Our second best pick is Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System and Blender Pitcher. Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770 food processor is what you have been looking for. 72-ounce total crushing pitcher smashes ices into smooth tiny pieces. Perfect for making smoothies, dough, milkshakes, with 2 horsepower. Contain cups of food processor bowl which performs functions like grinding, chopping, and can make up to 2 cups of dough in just 30 seconds. It's a perfect time-saving model. 64-ounce processor bowl is its main component. 2 16-ounce Ninja cups with lids are perfect for making nutrient drinks. A 30-recipe inspirational guide is also provided along with this. Dishwasher safe and can easily be cleaned with its compact and unique design. Plastic is used to make its pitchers instead of glass, making it unbreakable while crushing hard stuff like ice. Space-saving design with personalized size pitchers which make it unique from others. It is easily affordable by a common man. Number 3. Our third best pick is Cuisinart DLC2A Mini Prep Plus Food Processor. Finding a reasonable and appropriate best food processor to add comfort in your life, at an affordable price. Finally, we are here with such a food processor that everyone desires. And it is, Cuisinart DLC2A Mini Prep Plus Food Processor. 250-watt food processor with 3-cup plastic work bowl and sharp stainless steel blades which can crush and grind every piece of ingredient poured in it. Efficient and fast processing makes it its affectionate quality. Weighs 2.3 pounds. Making it one of the lightest weighted food processors. Touchpad control with advanced technology makes it easy and convenient to use. Above all, it is one of the most reasonable and affordable for anyone. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Hamilton Beach Mini 3-cup food processor. Desiring for a best food processor 2021 at an affordable price? Then, you must have a look at this Hamilton Beach Mini 3-cup food processor, 350-watt black 72850. This model is designed according to a space-saving design. This small food processor comes with a 3-cup bowl. It is very light-weighted and is approximately 2.69 pounds. The plastic cup is designed with a built-in dispenser for oil, making it easy for you to add liquid to your mixtures without removing the cup. Once you add the ingredients, simply press down the lid to process them. Blades are made up of high-quality stainless steel. It has 350 watts power. The Hamilton Beach Mini 3-cup food processor can be quickly assembled and all the parts are dishwasher safe. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Cuisinart DFP14BCNY 14-cup food processor. The search for an excellent food processor might be a horrible experience for you. This is the actual product you have been searching for. It would prove to be the best food processor 2021. First, it is very powerful and blends or crushes whole fruits and veggies with sufficient power. 720W motor handles for preparing food for the entire family. This processor takes a short time, which is about 2 minutes for blending. This high-quality food processor performs functions of blending, grinding, chopping, shredding and mixing. Furthermore, this unit uses less amount of electricity, which also saves your monthly electricity bill. The motor base is plastic made and is coated with silver stainless steel for an elegant look. Stainless steel prevents it from rusting and also prevents it from stains. Cleaning it is very easy because of its smooth outer. The work bowl and feed tubes are made of high-quality transparent plastic. 4mm sliding and shredding discs are made up of stainless steel. Sharpening of blades remains for a long time span. Feed tubes have lids that close with a button instead of twisting it. This provides a tight seal for clean food processing. No mess in your kitchen while shredding or chopping food. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.